Hello and welcome all. Today's topic of discussion is how to upload HTML website on internet so that it can be accessed by your friends and relatives. I think you might have wondered to upload the website but were worried about the cost of domain name and web server. But don't worry. With the help of GitHub, you can upload your website and share the link with your friends and relatives free of cost. Let us see how to do that. So the first thing you need to do, you have to install Git Bash on your system. I have Git Bash. The installation step is simple, so you can install it successfully by going here on Chrome and type Git Bash and scroll down here. You can download this Git for Windows. It is very simple to install it. After installing it successfully, you need to open GitHub. If you don't have account on GitHub, you can create one account. I have my account, so and it is already login. So I have to create a new repository and I will name it as upload. You can name it anything you want. After the repository has been created, I need to go to that particular folder where my files, HTML files are. So it is under E drive under the folder GitHub, and these two files we need to upload it to the GitHub. So we will right click here and you can see these two prompt and git bash here. After installing git bash, these two prompts will come surely. So we need to click here on git bash here, and first thing we need to do is we have to initialize our git. So we will use git init command to initialize it. So I have initialized it successfully and you can see that it has been added here successfully. After that we have to see whether anything is added or not. So none of the thing is added. After that we will have to commit all these two folders to the git. So we will use git commit underscore m, and in quote I will write first commit. You can write anything you want under the code. So you can see that these two files index.html and situ.jpg has been successfully committed. After that you need to go to the GitHub and have to copy this link. This link basically tells that upload these two folders index.html and situ.jpg, these two files, to this particular link. So we will copy it and paste it here. So it has been done successfully. After that we have to push our code to the GitHub. So we will be using git push underscore u origin master, and we will click here on enter. After some time you can see that all the file has been pushed. So we will go here on code and you can see that these two files which were here in this particular folder index.html and situ.jpg has been successfully pushed to our this folder. So next thing we have to do is we have to go here on setting and we'll scroll down and we will see here that GitHub page. So here on the option of none, I will click and I will select master branch. After selecting master branch, you will have to go again on here and you can see that it is written that your site is ready to be published at this particular link. So this is the link through which you can see your website live. So you can see that it has been uploaded successfully. Now if you want, you can copy this link and see that it is live. So now you can share this link to any of your friends you want and they can see your work. Once again I will guide you how I did it. So the first command was I have used git init command. After that git add dot, this is optional, and after that this command is git commit -m under first commit code. After that I have copied this from the GitHub and pasted it here, and again after that we have used git push underscore u origin master to push the GitHub. After the whole procedure we came here on setting and we scroll down here and we have there first the option was selected none. We have selected master branch and our code is live on this particular link. Thank you.